Hey guys, what's Jason here? It is like 12:30 in the morning, September 28th now, 2019, guys. My iPad is on like 40%, so I'm trying to give it some charge. We have yet another huge cell moving in. This one's moving in from Kansas once again. I'm walking back here to my yard. I've got my phone, so I've got it tucked under the hood of my rain jacket. Try and get some better lighting video out here and hope the fuck it doesn't struck. That's a pretty mean sounding CG right there. I'm facing southwest right now. This night, guys, I tell you what, this has been something else. Our internet's being real shitty right now, so I'm just now getting the videos my mom got, which were just short clips up, and I've got a good, I would say at least 2 hours worth of videos on my phone here and on my iPad. So yeah, fun times. This is I could say this is the longest storm like event that we've had, like that's actually, you know, this is the longest single event we've had in a long time. But yeah, you can see it. I was wondering how much lightning was over here to the southwest. Not too much yet. We're just getting some rain and some rumbles right now. So I'm going to, I don't know, should I keep filming or not? Guess I could film to the southeast. There's lightning right over here. Let's do this. I'm going southeast because the rain's not really, I mean, it's raining, but it's not like hella hard, so. Try and shield my phone. See if I can't catch some shit over here. Mind you, this is all stuff that's done moved over to the southeast. Thank God for this rain jacket. Whoa, hello. I'm hearing constant thunder to my west, way far back. And I thought I'd just come out here and film some of this for you guys, because I haven't had enough fun tonight. Oh shit. Hello. Man, here comes the winds, guys. And I know you're gonna hear some wind in the microphone. Holy shit, we got some big old winds going. I hear them through the trees. This phone does not block the wind out very well. I know that for a fact. Get a little 20, 30 mile an hour winds through here. That could chill. Actually, there's some bigger, stronger winds. Almost said bigger winds. That sounded really dumb. But yeah, guys, there's a little bit of lightning footage. I honestly thought there'd be more lightning to my west, but this storm's still pretty far out in Kansas, so that is explainable. I could, I guess, come over here and get some footage from the southeast. I don't really know why. I don't. Oh shit! There's some lightning. Hope nobody calls me. must say, filming on a phone has its pros and has its cons. That's for, oh shit, my bad. I blocked that lightning flash with my finger. Half-ass. Oops. That's one of the cons. I've got it up under my rain jacket here, trying to stay dry. That was mean sounding there. Yeah, if you guys see some funky glare, it's the garage light reflecting on my phone case. This isn't working too well. My phone's getting fucking wet. Well, there's thunder back from where that cell's coming from, the south. Oh shit, there's the cops too. Welcome to Kansas City, people. Let's take a look back here to the southwest for a second. I wonder how waterproof this phone is, because I'm sure it's... Well, I've got it tucked under my rain jacket here now. So now we're facing southwest. I'm just trying to see if there's any flashes back here, but obviously there's not. If they are, I can't see them. Too faint. So, well, I think, oh wow, hello. That was bright AF. Shit. Damn. This night just keeps getting weirder and weirder, I swear. Oh man. I might go through, guys, and upload all the clips from my iPad first and then upload what's on my phone. Or vice versa. I'm not really sure what the frick I'm gonna do. I've got so much footage, I just need to get it uploaded. So you might see some funky video titles and just with the dates and stuff. That's why. I'm just trying to upload things right now. Oh, hush. The phone's talking in the background. But yeah, I'm glad I have this rain jacket. It stayed half-ass dry. Just hope my phone's also staying dry. It's one thing you definitely are gonna need if you go to college here in Missouri is a freaking raincoat. But haven't seen anything for a second. There's probably gonna be a big flash coming, but if there isn't, pretty quick, I'm gonna go in. Cause it is kind of raining pretty good now. A little more than it was. Holy crap, this yard is just like a marsh. What the fuck? What's that? I'm trying to walk backwards, guys. That's probably not a good idea. Keep this phone pointed up at the sky. Oh man, get the garage light and all kinds of bull crap in the way. That's just how we roll around here. Why do I get myself into predicaments that I do? I have yet to figure that question out. I'm filming on my phone and walking backwards very carefully. Because I have a feeling there's going to be a big flash of lightning and I do not want to miss it. Okay. I've gotten up under the porch here, under the eave. I was hoping for one more flash here, but if we don't get it, I guess I can edit this video down some, huh? I think so. Oh my. I got up here just in time because you guys can hear the rain now. Well, there's our flash. Cool. And the air conditioner comes on. Oh, thunder's kind of coming back to my west. Yeah, not really. Alright guys, I'm going in. That was fun, but I've had enough fun out here in the rain. So I originally came out to see if there's any lightning to my west yet, and there is not. So we ended up filming some lightning to my south and southeast primarily. That's it. Alright guys, well, I'm sure there'll be some more videos after this one, because there's that cell we still got to get through here. So, alright, later guys. The thunder is still rumbling. I don't hear anymore. Alright, later.